How to get and enable voice chat in Roblox in 2026. In this video, I'll show you how to get and enable voice chat in Roblox step by step. First, open Roblox and make sure you're logged into your account. Voice chat only works if your account meets the requirements, so this part is important. Now, tap on Settings in the top right corner and then open Settings again from the menu. Next, scroll down until you find Phone Number. Tap Add Phone, enter your number, and complete the verification process. Once your phone number is verified, press Done. After that, go to the left menu and open Privacy and Content Restrictions. Then, tap on Communication. Here, you'll see the voice chat option. Tap it and switch voice chat on in the top right corner.